Hello, today we will guide you through how to remove Zoom profile picture. In this walkthrough, we'll go step by step through the Zoom website so you can find the profile settings area where your picture can be managed. If you are following along, it helps to have your browser open and your Zoom account signed in before you begin. Start by going to the Zoom homepage. This is the main landing area for your Zoom account in a web browser. Once the page loads, take a moment to make sure you're on the correct Zoom site and that everything has finished loading properly. If the page looks slightly different on your screen, that's okay. Zoom occasionally updates its layout, but the general navigation should still be very similar. Next, look toward the bottom left side of the screen and click on My Account. This section is where Zoom keeps your personal account settings, including your profile details. If you don't immediately see it, give the page a quick scan along the left side and lower corner. On some screens, navigation elements may shift slightly depending on window size or display settings. After that, click on Profile. This will take you into the area where your account's personal information is stored. Your profile page is where you can review and manage things like your display name, photo, and other account-related details. It's a useful section to remember anytime you want to update how your account appears to others. Once you are in the account area, click on Profile again if needed. In some cases, Zoom may show a broader settings menu first, and selecting Profile a second time opens the detailed profile page. This is normal, so just continue into the Profile section until you can see your account picture and related options. From there, click on Change. This option appears near your current profile image and opens the controls related to your picture. This is the area you'll use to adjust or remove the image associated with your Zoom account. Be sure to watch the screen closely after selecting it, since the available options may appear in a pop-up window or within the same page, depending on your browser and Zoom's current interface. And that's the process for reaching the Zoom profile picture settings. If an option doesn't appear right away, try refreshing the page or confirming that you're signed into the correct account. Following these steps carefully will bring you to the right place so you can manage your Zoom profile image with confidence.